Hi friends, welcome to the business studies class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the term e-business and its benefits. E-business make possible working round the clock and around the world. It enables companies to be more efficient and flexible in their internal operations, to work more closely with their suppliers, and to more responsive to the needs and expectations of their customers. It allows companies to select the best suppliers regardless of their geographical location and to sell to a global market. It also offers business concerns more coefficient and time efficient means of working with customers, suppliers, and development partners. E-business offers several opportunities to suppliers and commensurate benefits to the customers. The important benefits of e-business are: first point, global reach or global choice. The boundaries of electronic business are not defined by geography or by national borders, but rather by the coverage of computer networks. Since the most important networks are global in scope, electronic commerce enables even the smallest suppliers to achieve a global presence and to conduct business worldwide. Access to global marketplace helps to improve operations of business firms. Second point is e-commerce will save the company money. The cost of operating online can cheaper than having a shop office. You can automate sales, meaning a reduction in staff. Advertising is cheaper. Any saving can be passed on to the customer. One of the major contribution of electronic business is a reduction in transaction cost. While the cost of business transaction that entails human interaction might be measured in dollars, the cost of conducting a similar transaction electronically might be a few cents or less. Hence, any business process involving routine interactions between people offers the potential for substantial cost savings, which can in turn be transacted into substantial price reduction for customers. Next point is the time has no time barriers. An online business is available for customers 24 hours a day. The internet never sleeps. Next point is the customer has a greater power. The next point is lower investment. It is much easier to start an e-business than a traditional business. Capital required is much less. A small firm can obtain the same benefits of internet technology which are available to big business. In e-business, networked firms are more efficient than networked firms. Then, regarding speed, much of the buying and selling involves exchange of information. On the internet, information can be exchanged at the click of a mouse. E-business substantially reduces the cycle time of a transaction. Another important benefit is paperless society. E-business reduces dependence on paperwork and the attendant red tape. Taxpayers can file tax returns electronically. Government can grant license and approvals without much paperwork. Another point is convenience. On the internet, transaction can be made 24 hours, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. One can access anything from anywhere at any time. Such flexibility provides great convenience to sellers, buyers, and employees. Another important merit of e-business is mass communication. With electronic interaction, suppliers are able to gather detailed information on the needs of each individual customer and automatically tailor products and services to those individual needs. This results is customized products comparable to those offered by specialized suppliers. These are the important merits of e-business. Now we are going to learn about the important demerits or disadvantages of e-business. They are: first point is limited personal touch. The warmth of interpersonal interactions is lacking in e-business. Another point is delay in delivery. In e-business, information can flow at the click of a mouse, but the physical delivery of the product takes time. The user may become frustrated when it takes long time to open the website due to technical fault. Another important limitation is data security. Some people do not trust the internet. Credit card details can be stolen on the net unless the e-commerce company is secure. The next point is data privacy. Many customers wrong about sending information on the net. Then another point is high risk. In e-business, it is difficult to ascertain the identity of the parties and even the location from where the parties are operating. Online business also suffers from the problem of hacking and virus. Another point is human resistance. People oppose new technology and new ways of doing things due to sense of insecurity and stress. Another important disadvantage of e-business is ethical problems. Many firms use an electronic eye to keep track of the email account, computers files, and websites used by their employees. This involves an attack on their privacy. Some products do not sell over the net. You can't see, touch, smell, or try on items you purchase from the net. Some customers like to shop in the high street. Colors and shapes look different in pictures. On the net, people do not get to see which item they are buying. Then many firms use an electronic eye to keep track of the email account, computer files and websites used by their employees. These are the important disadvantages or limitations of e-business. Thank you.